Hey there, nature fans! Welcome to another exciting adventure into the wild. Have you ever heard of an animal that can live both on land and in water? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? No, I'm not talking about some mythical creature, but about the awesome world of amphibians. These creatures are truly remarkable. These slippery and slimy creatures are like the secret agents of the animal kingdom, leading a double life that would make James Bond proud. They seamlessly transition between two very different worlds. Amphibians are masters of disguise, changing their looks and lifestyles as they transition from water to land. This metamorphosis is one of nature's most incredible transformations. It's like watching a nature documentary and a spy thriller all rolled into one. Their ability to adapt and survive in diverse environments is truly awe-inspiring. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of amphibians, where we'll uncover their secrets and discover why these creatures are so much cooler than you might think. From their unique hunting techniques to their incredible camouflage abilities, there's so much to learn. Trust me, you won't want to miss this wild ride. So grab your explorer's hat and let's embark on this journey together. The world of amphibians awaits. So what exactly makes an amphibian an amphibian? Well, for starters, their name gives you a big clue. Amphibian comes from the Greek words meaning both and life, referring to their ability to live in both water and on land. Talk about having the best of both worlds. These amazing creatures have moist, permeable skin that allows them to breathe both air and water. It's like having built-in scuba gear, and that's not all. Amphibians undergo a mind-blowing transformation called metamorphosis, where they change from aquatic larvae to terrestrial adults. Imagine a tadpole turning into a frog. It's like something out of a science fiction movie. Let's talk about the amphibian life cycle. It's a real humdinger. Amphibians, like frogs, have one of the most fascinating and complex life cycles in the animal kingdom. Most amphibians start their lives in water as eggs, often laid in gelatinous clumps. These clumps provide protection and a stable environment for the developing embryos. Think of it like a giant bowl of frog jelly, not exactly appetizing but essential for their survival. The jelly not only keeps the eggs moist but also helps deter predators. From these eggs hatch tiny fish-like larvae, like tadpoles in the case of frogs. These tadpoles are incredibly vulnerable and must quickly adapt to their aquatic environment. These little guys sport gills for breathing underwater and tails for swimming. Their gills allow them to extract oxygen from the water, while their tails help them navigate and find food. As they grow, something incredible happens. They begin to undergo a process called metamorphosis, which is nothing short of magical. The larvae start to develop lungs, limbs sprout, and their tails gradually disappear. This transformation equips them for life on land, a completely different environment. It's like watching a tiny construction crew remodel a house right before your eyes. Every stage of their development is meticulously timed and coordinated. Finally, they emerge from the water as air-breathing, land-dwelling adults ready to take on the world. These young frogs must now learn to hunt, avoid predators, and find mates. It's a dramatic transformation and one of the most fascinating spectacles in the natural world. The journey from water to land and back again is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of amphibians. Now let's talk about some amphibian adventures. These fascinating creatures have been around for millions of years, adapting to various environments and showcasing some truly remarkable traits. Did you know that some species of frogs are poisonous? These vibrant colors are not just for show. They serve as a warning to potential predators. The poison dart frog, for example, secretes toxins through its skin that can paralyze or even kill predators. Indigenous people have used these toxins to tip their blow darts for hunting, hence the name poison dart frog. Talk about a small creature with a big defense mechanism. These frogs may be tiny, but their ability to defend themselves is nothing short of extraordinary. And what about the glass frog? This unique amphibian is a marvel of nature. This incredible amphibian has translucent skin, so you can actually see its internal organs. It's like looking through a living window into the inner workings of a frog. It's like having an X-ray vision superpower, but in frog form. Imagine being able to see the heart beating and the digestive system in action. From the high-pitched croaking of frogs to the silent, stealthy movements of salamanders, the world of amphibians is full of fascinating and unexpected discoveries. Each species has its own unique way of surviving and thriving in its environment. So next time you're near a pond or a stream, keep your eyes peeled. You never know what slimy surprises might be lurking nearby. Whether it's a brightly colored frog or a stealthy salamander, the world of amphibians is always ready to amaze and inspire. Section 5. Little frogs, big appetite. Don't let their small size fool you. Amphibians are voracious eaters. They play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem by controlling insect populations. Think of them as nature's very own pest control service, keeping those pesky mosquitoes and flies in check. A single frog can eat hundreds of insects in a single night. Imagine the feast they must have. They're like the ultimate all-you-can-eat buffet for insects, and they're always open for business. Section 6. Canary in the coal mine. But here's the thing about amphibians. They're not just cool and quirky creatures, they're also incredibly important indicators of environmental health. You see, because their skin is so permeable, amphibians are particularly sensitive to changes in water quality, pollution, and habitat loss. Think of them as the canary in the coal mine for our planet's health. When amphibian populations decline, it's a warning sign that something is wrong with the environment and we need to pay attention. Section 7. Respect the slime. So, the next time you encounter an amphibian, take a moment to appreciate these amazing creatures. They may not be cuddly or fluffy, but they play a vital role in keeping our ecosystems balanced and healthy. Remember, respect the slime. Those slippery secretions are part of what makes amphibians so unique and important. So let's all do our part to protect these fascinating creatures and their habitats. Section 8. Keep it slimy, keep it froggy. From their incredible life cycles to their vital role in the ecosystem, amphibians are truly remarkable creatures. So, let's spread the word about the awesomeness of amphibians. Keep it slimy, keep it froggy, and remember, our planet needs amphibians.